YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got a new car to build. This is the Xray XT8e 22. It's a 1/8 truggy, 4-wheel drive, and it's a full kit. So hopefully be able to get plenty of videos of how the build goes with this. Now the kit is, off the top of my head, I think it's 665 quid MSRP. And it doesn't come with tyres, wheels, inserts or a body or any electrics, so you've got to supply the lot. So see what we do actually get. So let's put this to one side. So we get a certificate of authenticity, we get the Xray sticker sheet, and this is a full parts list, I believe. Yep, so you get a full parts list, and see if it's right way around. So that's the full part list of the RC. We get one of the nicest instruction manuals that I've seen with a kit, and this is all colorized, gives you all the settings for various different builds, tells you how to fill the diffs. So this literally is step by step every single part of what you're going to do to the car. And there's multiple different ways of building these, different configurations for different battery layouts. Tells you all the tools you need, and basically shows you how to build. I believe it goes through and shows you how to build both the electric and the nitro. So we also get the chassis, and that's the packet instructions coming. So it's a really nice strong chassis on this one. We've got a bag with what looks like the radio tray. Then we've got another bag of parts. Looks like this one contains the chassis bracers and the C-hubs. We got another one with the carbon fibre servo tray and the other battery trays for the other layout. We've got a full set of diff and shock oil grease and a bit of hoodie graphite grease for the drive shafts. So it looks like you get 450 and 550 CST, and you get a 10,000, a 5,000 and a 15,000 CST oils. We've got a pack of springs, another pack of parts, looks like a servo arm, bits for shocks and the shock mounts. We've got a pack with the drive shafts, and it looks like it's got some shims for the diff, the bulkheads and the aluminium shock mounts. Got a huge pack of diff parts. These all look really nice, and the output cups. Another pack of steering parts. Looks like the servo saver and the steering assembly. And we've got some, looks like 2 of these shocks are in there, 2 of the shock bodies. And then some really beefy looking A-arms and the hinge pins. Funny you don't get a body, but you do get a wing. So at least they give you something for your £665. This part is more A-arms and more hinge pins. And then we've got two of the side pods. We've got another shock assembly. Now you do get multiple different hole dampers. And a huge pack of bearings. Some sealed, some just metal seals. Then we've got what looks to be a centre diff with a diff gasket. Looks like it's a 50 tooth on that one, on the spur. Small pack of screws. What's in this one? Possibly centre. Could be centre diff holder in this one, by the looks of it. And then the last pack, we've got the wing mount, some more drive shafts, and it looks like the rear hubs. So that's everything you get in box. At least we've got shock and diff oil and some graphite grease, but not a lot else. So stay tuned. We're going to get a full bit by bit guide of this one. I'm hoping to do videos where it makes sense to build so much so we don't end up with a 3 or 4 hour or maybe more long video. Still need to get some wheels, and I want to run it on grass. So anybody that wants to give me an idea of what wheels and tyres are better for a grass track, leave in comments below. I've still got to get a body for this. I've picked my colours, but I need a body for it. So again, if anybody knows a good body that fits on the XT8e 22, leave comments below. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.